Jason, you said it. Maybe the last time we'll hear that music for a little bit, but that's what people are hoping for. I'm not sure it's reality.
Yeah, I got to watch out because I say something and then Mother Nature says, actually, how about winter's not done yet? And we get 2 nor'easters in a month, right? So let's take a look at what's going on. It's crazy around here, but this is Maine, and this is the way it goes here. Trying to get the graphics to, I can't see what we're at for graphics here. There we go. Okay, there we go. Nor'easter winds down late. Looks like it's pretty dark there. I had the camera up for Kennybunk. Well, that's clearly dark. Snowfall mostly for down east tomorrow. The wind gusts are going to continue through Wednesday, though. So everyone's asking me, when's the wind going to die down? Really not until Thursday statewide. 30s and 20s finally popping up here. Storm is south here of Wiscasset. That's why you see all this wind here in the southern Gulf as the wind cranks up. But eventually the temperature is going to go down a little bit more. Lose that daytime heating. Winter storm warnings are not up north. They're up south here along the coast. And that's because that's where the snow was the heaviest today for the most part. Advisories north of that. I want to point out a few things here. Up in Presque Isle, you're getting a snow band that's coming in from Atlantic Canada. And eventually that snow band is going to continue to progress up into more of the county. Snow here, just basically south and east of Route 1 and 295, a little bit on Route 1. And this is really the dividing line between the rain and the snow, which the nor'easter is strengthening down to the south as far as the last bits of it. And then it's eventually going to fade away tonight. But heading up here, Oxford Hills and over the western mountains, we're still coming down. Some storm spotters are saying maybe some thunder snow going on. Not according to radar, but yes, the storm, it's in its dying moments, so easily could have its last bits of a burst of energy as the atmosphere is trying to stabilize. But we've got the snow. It's breaking up with the low in the southern Gulf now. This is peak nor'easter here where the wind here is the last bit of the high wind. Sanford 46. This is currently, this is not a forecast. Less as you head north and east. But snow so far, let me get out of the way so you can see this. And York County, 12 inches. You see in Kittery Point, 4.5. Porter, 11 inches. Hampton, 5. And then there it is, Greenville, New Hampshire with the 33. How about the wind gusts? 40s and 50s. There were some 60s out there for the Mariners too, and Frenchboro. I mean, yeah, Portland Jetport 47. Keith called it. He said around 45. Well, there you go. How about the hour-by-hour forecast? The storm is going to break up in western mountains in northern Maine. There is snow down east Wednesday morning. That's where you see the snow continuing during the day Wednesday primarily. It's a down east situation here, Bar Harbor, a little bit for Eastport too. And then we're going to break things up considerably during the day on Wednesday. So not as big of a deal tomorrow. We'll see the sun come out, yes, for southern Maine. So we'll take that, right? Every bit of sunshine in March, it's going to feel good. For the Mariners, sea is going down to 8 to 13 feet, subsiding. A gale warning is up Tuesday into Wednesday. A forecast inland, how about it? 38 to 45. And then 37 St. Patrick's Day, light mix into Saturday morning. A little breezy on Sunday, we cool off, and then let's get into mid to late March there. 40, 45, and 38. The storm for St. Patrick's Day comes in, but we're making a run for 50. A lot of us hope that this is the last one, but it's Maine, so I don't want to say anything.
Yeah, don't jinx us.
Yeah, no, sir.
Thanks, Jason.